Congratulations. You've just signed a 40-year subscription for a product that was obsolete before you even hit accept. You think you're investing in your future? Let's be real. You aren't a student. You're a line item in a bank's predatory loan portfolio. While you're sitting in a lecture hall listening to a professor read PowerPoint slides from 2018, the world is moving at the speed of light. You've been told that a degree is your ticket to the middle class. That is a lie. In 2026, a degree is nothing more than a receipt for a luxury purchase you couldn't afford. You aren't broke because you buy avocado toast. You're broke because you've been brainwashed to believe that prestige is worth $200,000 in debt before you've even earned your first dollar. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to prove why the modern university is the most successful scam in human history and how you can escape the debt subscription before it swallows your 30 seconds. University is a temple of knowledge where you gain critical thinking skills and social capital. University is a low ROI content licensing deal. You are paying a 500% markup for information that is available for free just to get a piece of paper that grants you permission to apply for a job that AI will automate in 3 years. Think about it. A university is a business with the ultimate business model. Zero liability. If you fail to get a job, the school keeps the money. Guaranteed payment. The government backs the loans. The school gets paid up front. Brand cultism. They make you wear the logo so you feel proud while they drain your bank account. The formula. Dollar education. NEQ certification dollar. Education is the acquisition of high-value skill. Dollar skill times market demand. Dollar. Certification is just a permission slip from a legacy institution. In 2026, the market only pays for the former. Look at the numbers. They insult your intelligence. Let's run the opportunity cost equation. Scenario A, the traditional path. You spend 4 years and $150,000. You enter the workforce at age 22 with negative $150,000 net worth, paying 7% interest. To break even, you need to earn 30% more than a non-degree holder every year for 20 years. Scenario B, the contrarian path. You take $20,000, buy specialized high-ticket certifications, AI engineering, specialized sales, blockchain architecture, and spend 4 years working at a startup or building your own agency. By age 30, person A is still paying off the subscription fee for their youth. Person B has a 6-figure portfolio and 8 years of real-world proof of work. The risk isn't not having a degree. The risk is the $2 million gap, the amount of compounded wealth you lose by starting your life in a hole so deep you can't see the sun. How do you play the game in 2026? The mindset shift. Stop being a student and start being a solution architect. Don't ask, what should I major in? Ask, which problem can I solve that people will pay $10K a month for? The tactical build, asterisk, the 80/20 rule of learning. Identify the 20% of skills that drive 80% of the income in your field. Build a proof of work portfolio. Use GitHub, Behance, or a personal newsletter. In 2026, your portfolio is your resume. If they can't see what you've built, you don't exist. Aggressive networking. Don't wait for career day. DM the CEOs. Offer free value. Use the dark social loopholes to bypass HR bots. Optimization. Stack your skills. An accountant is a commodity. An accountant who understands AI automation and tax haven structures for digital nomads is a high-paid consultant, but I need the degree for my parents to get a visa for the experience. Are your parents going to pay your debt when you're 35 and can't get a mortgage? Approval is temporary. Debt is forever. I need the experience. You want to pay $40,000 a year for parties and networking? Go to a co-working space in Bali or a hacker house in San Francisco for $2,000. The network is better and the coffee is actually good. It's too risky. You think not having a degree is risky? In a world of AGI, artificial general intelligence, the riskiest thing you can do is spend 4 years learning how to be a generalist in a cubicle. I'm not telling you to drop out. I'm telling you to stop being a victim of the system. If you are in school, treat it like a heist. Steal the network, use the labs, and build your business in the back of the classroom. If you haven't gone yet, look at the math one more time before you sign that death note. The future doesn't belong to the certified. It belongs to the competent. Don't take my word for it. Open an Excel sheet, plug in the tuition, the interest rates, and the average starting salary for your major. Then look in the mirror and decide, are you a customer or are you the product?